Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor has sent me a product. It's a free product, and it's a paid shoppable review. And today, it is the company Xifei. And if you watch any of my content, you know that I love cigar products, and they are a cigar company, cigar accessories. And today, it's a lighter. It's a Christmas lighter. So if you have a cigar aficionado in your life, this might be the perfect gift. Just look at the gift packaging. First off, comes with a little sleeve on it, just like that. Look at the gift packaging. It's really nice. Something you really wouldn't even have to wrap. You could send it, via Amazon to him, and very nice packaging. Look at the packaging. Just speaks class right off the bat. And you open it up, and of course they have their card on top. The lighter. Merry Christmas. Very nice, huh? So, pulling the lighter out, you have a multifunctional lighter. It has the bottom here has a cigar punch on it. So you can punch your cigars, suitable for most size cigars. The bottom here is also where you will adjust your flame, and it's also where you will fill it with butane. It does not come filled with butane, so you do have to buy butane. They can't ship it full of lighter fluid. That goes without saying. Then you also have a V cutter, if you like a V cut, which I happen to like a V cut cigar, and that is simple. So normally I would not show you two cuts on a cigar, but since it's a lighter, multifunctional lighter, I'm going to show you the punch, and then I'm going to show you the V cut. So let's get that punch out here and grab a cigar. And to punch it, you just simply go in there like that, and it takes a nice little punch out for you. Isn't that nice? Very nice. Then you can just knock that out. If you're like me and you prefer a V cut, all you simply do is you just lift the V cutter up like that, just like this, and you press the cigar firmly into the V cutter. And you have to press fairly firmly, and then you just snap it down. Look at that. Get a nice chomp out of it, nice V cut on your cigar. Really nice. So you can sit there and you can just toast that for purposes of this video. I probably won't toast it as long as I normally would, but you can see that it lit right off the bat. It's got a nice flame. You can adjust that down or up, however you'd like to do it. Toasting that end really nicely. It does allow you to toast it for as long as you like. You can adjust that flame narrowly. Toast it up. Oh, it's smelling good. Get your cigar aficionado the lighter, the Merry Christmas lighter from Xifei today.